So right now we are working on Ashram 4, which will come out soon. The scripting is going on. Then there's Rajniti 2 that's going to happen.
Hello, welcome viewers. I am very delighted to welcome today Disha Jha, producer in Prakash Jha Productions. At a very young age, she's doing very well. अभी उनके प्रोडक्शन में संकल्प वेब शो आ रहा है. हम संकल्प के अलावा उनकी जर्नी के बारे में भी बातचीत करेंगे. सो वेलकम दिशा.
Thank you.
इन रील मीट्स रियल. सबसे पहले आप हमें संकल्प के बारे में बताइए कि इस वेब शो की किस तरह से योजना बनी, आपने क्या क्या कंट्रीब्यूट किया. आई मस्ट टेल यू कि शी इज़ अ प्रोड्यूसर इन प्रकाश झा प्रोडक्शन और प्रकाश झा जैसे ग्रेट फिल्म मेकर की सुपुत्री है ये.
संकल्प की कहानी एक्चुअली रेशु नाथ ने लिखी है. इट्स बेस्ड ऑन चाणक्य एंड चंद्रगुप्त. वहाँ से इंस्पायर हुई है एंड शी इज़ taken inspiration and brought it in today's world and placed the characters as to what they would do if they, if they existed today. Like Chandragupta had one student. What if he had like an army? तो वो क्या करता. तो कहानी संकल्प की वही है. बिफोर इट केम टू मी, रेशु हैड एक्चुअली ऑलरेडी स्पोकन टू जियो स्टूडियोज़. उसके बाद ये कहानी हमारे पास आई. तो इनिशियली सर वाज सपोज टू मेंटर द शो लाइक अ शो रनर. ही वाज नॉट सपोज टू डायरेक्ट इट. वाइल द राइटिंग ऑफ इट हैड स्टार्टेड एंड वी केप्ट डिस्कसिंग एज टू हाउ द एपिसोड्स आर गोइंग टू प्रोसीड. तो फिर धीरे धीरे हम सबको लगा कि सर को ही डायरेक्ट करना चाहिए. तो फिर कुछ टाइम बाद हमने सबने बोला उनको कि सर आप ही करेंगे. तो एंड वैसे भी उनके विजन के हिसाब से ही डेवलप हो रहा था. तो या देन ही स्टेप्ड इन. दैट्स हाउ द शो स्टार्टेड.
बिल्कुल. जिस तरह के प्रकाश झा साहब के प्रोडक्शन में हर कलाकार बहुत मायने रखता है. अक्सर देखा गया है कि मल्टी स्टारर प्रोजेक्ट होता है. इसमें भी कई कलाकार हम देख रहे हैं. तो क्या कास्टिंग में भी आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन था?
हाँ, पूरे ही क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस में. जैसे आजकल प्रोड्यूसर्स सिर्फ मनी रिलेटेड नहीं रहते. देर आर क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर्स, क्रिएटिव प्रोड्यूसर्स. तो हर एक कदम पे वी लुक इनटू एवरी एस्पेक्ट सिंस टिल इट स्टार्ट्स टिल इट रिलीजेस. So yeah, the casting, Nana sir and Prakash ji share a rapport. So they work together. So sir ने उनसे बात की थी. And within 1 or 2 meetings, I think Nana sir was on board. And after that, to get the cast was pretty easy. Once you had Nana sir, then it was quite easy to get everybody. Sanjay sir and Zishan, Kubra, all of them have not worked with sir before, so they were all very excited. Once we called them and sir met them, narrated their roles, and they were all thrilled. So yes.
जहाँ तक हमारी नॉलेज है, हम समझते हैं कि प्रोडक्शन इज़ नॉट इजी टास्क. कई तरह के चैलेंजेस होते हैं. तो दिशा के लिए क्या चैलेंजेस रहे? आप काफ़ी यंग है.
Actually nahi, but no, since this is my home production, so it was not so challenging. And I've worked, the entire team, they know me since I was a child. And some of them are there here since before I was born. And I've worked with Prakash ji also since Rajniti. So it wasn't a challenging shoot as such. It was pretty smooth. And he spends a lot of time in pre-production with all the actors and with the entire team, and everything is very clear in his vision. And so the clearer the director is, the easier it becomes for the production to organize everything. So the process was quite smooth. So the challenge was, in a way, it just took too long to come out. We started it in 2023. We shot the series in 23. Okay. And it's releasing now. Yeah, I just hope that audiences can still relate to it and they still like the show. So yeah, that's all.
Sankalpa has been shot in Bihar.
No. It has been shot in UP, Prayagraj, and Lucknow.
Oh, not in Bihar.
In Bihar.
Okay. अमूमन प्रकाश जी महाबलेश्वर, वाई, पंचगनी में शूट करते हैं. तो इस बार लोकेशन चेंज हुआ?
महाबलेश्वर, वाई, पंचगनी वो शूट करते थे बहुत पहले, बहुत साल पहले, जब गंगाजल और अपहरण बनाई थी. Also it was because I studied in Panchgani. It was closer to my boarding school. Okay. So he used to feel कि he has more access to me. So that's why I think those locations. After that, we did Rajniti, Arakshan, Chakravyuh, Satyagrah, or in Bhopal. Yeah, and now, I mean, this bungalow that you see on the poster that we made into the Gurukul, that we found in Prayagraj. The locations were, I mean, very nice. The entire look, we've overexposed Bhopal, so this was a good change. So it complemented the script and the story. So yes.
दिशा, अक्सर सुनने में आता है कि जब बड़ी स्टार कास्ट आती है देयर कुड बी सम चैलेंजेस, सम डिफिकल्टीज, सम हैडल्स. हैव यू गॉन थ्रू एनी? और क्या मुश्किलें आई?
Not really, because like I said, too long now, and the actor like Nana sir knows me since I was a baby. He was one of the first people to see me when I was born. So there was, and he shares a very good rapport with Prakash ji. So there was no trouble as such. Even like all the other actors, like they were just so thrilled to be a part of such a big show and working with Prakash ji. So it wasn't difficult, and we faced no trouble. None of the actors trouble. They were all very easy, and they were all very dedicated, and they were also really looking forward to what we are creating. And every year, the show was delayed, so they used to continuously be in touch, kab aa raha hai, kab aa raha hai. So I'm happy, yeah, it's just coming out, so yeah.
सो दिशा, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में हमने ये सुना कि नाना पूरे यूनिट के लिए खाना बनाते. क्या यादें हैं? क्या उन्होंने पूरे यूनिट के लिए खाना बनाया और किस तरह से लोगों ने उसे एंजॉय किया?
हाँ, वो उनको मटन बनाना बहुत पसंद है, जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं नहीं खाती हूँ. बट वो पहले ही बोल देते थे सबको कि आज मैं बनाने वाला हूँ. तो द स्टार कास्ट यूज्ड टू कम टुगेदर एंड ही यूज्ड टू कुक, एंड इट वाज वेरी एंजॉयबल. आई हर्ड सो, बिकॉज एवरीबडी रियली बहुत स्वाद लेके, मज़े लेके सबने एंजॉय किया. तो या
Okay. Can you tell us something more about the bonding, the connection between Prakash ji and Nana?
they've known each other for really long. Sir will also go Nana sir only when he knows he has something extremely meaningful that he feels that only Nana can do it. So I think Rajniti also, there was no other person who would have done that role better. Likewise in Apharan and likewise in Sankalp. So yeah, they have a very friendly bond and they keep in touch off and on, and it's a normal friendship, like you have friends like those. I mean, he's visited our Patna home also, and they are quite close. Yeah.
अक्सर इंडस्ट्री में सुनने में आया कि इट इज़ नॉट इजी टू वर्क विथ नाना. आई मीन ही हैज़ सम टेम्परामेंटल इश्यूज, ही इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. तो क्या आप लोगों को इस तरह का कुछ अनुभव हुआ?
नहीं, ऑनेस्टली नहीं, हम लोग के साथ कभी ऐसा मुझे भी कभी फील नहीं हुआ. नाना सर, एक्चुअली देयर इज दिस वेरी बिग मिसकंसेप्शन आई थिंक, बिकॉज ही इज़ एक्सट्रीमली फन लविंग एंड ही इज़ चाइल्ड लाइक, एंड ही लव्स टू डू लॉट ऑफ मस्ती एंड टांग खिंचाई एंड ऑल उनका इन बिटवीन चलता रहता है. आई मीन ही नेवर ट्रबल्ड अस, एंड ऑनेस्टली आई फील लाइक दिस थिंग इज़ overstretched in the media now. He's normal, जैसे हम लोग हैं वैसे ही हैं. तो हर किसी को गुस्सा आता है, हर कोई इरिटेट होता है, बट नॉट अननेसेसरीली. ही ऑल्सो विल ऑब्वियसली हैव अ पॉइंट. इफ ही इज रेज समथिंग, ही विल हैव अ पॉइंट बिहाइंड दैट. अदर देन दैट, ही इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल जस्ट लाइक अस, एंड इट्स लॉट ऑफ फन टू एसोसिएट विथ हिम.
या दिशा, जैसे कि आपने शुरुआत में बातचीत की कि ये प्रोजेक्ट शूट होने के बाद थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया, तो व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस डिले?
Oh, I think it had to do with the studio mergers and everything that happened last year. So I think with that it took time, and finally Geo Studios has now collaborated with Amazon MX, and we are happy that it's going to come on the same platform as Ashram, and it will have that viewership base. So yeah, I'm very happy that it's finally releasing. Yeah, it's out now actually, already streaming. So.
Yes, it is streaming. Yeah, absolutely. So Disha, anything special memories related with Sankalp? So we can go ahead with some other topic.
Memories, the show is extremely special to me because it's my first web show. I'm emotionally attached to the show. I mean, the entire process is like a big memory. I mean, today itself, because the show went out live today at 10, so we were all messaging each other and, thanking each other, congratulating each other. So today I just realized that, oh my God, it's like finally out, For 3 years it's been sitting in my laptop on the edit machine, and every year we used to visit it, this, that, submissions and so I mean finally today I got that feeling कि अब निकल गई है हमारे हाथों से. So yeah, it's been, the entire journey has been very memorable and extremely special, and I learned a lot in this entire process. Geo Studios has been very supportive, and they were a great collaborator to have, and even creatively the team that I worked with were very insightful, and I mean, I hope we can work together again on many other shows, and I'm just looking forward to everyone's response.
Of course. Disha, when you thought to be, start working in the same field where Prakash ji, has longer lasting impressions, what was the reason behind it, or it just happened?
It just happened very organically. There was no particular reason as such. Like I said, I've been in and out of sets since a child. I mean, I was there. It was my 12th boards when I was on Apharan shoot also.
Okay.
But that time, obviously, I just finished my boards and I was in between the process of going to college. So I was on the set. So it was not like I decided that this is what I want to do. It came very naturally to me. And I started assisting on Rajneeti after I finished my education, and that's how the process began. I mean, I did every department. I tried to be an AD, and I did costumes, I did art, I did artist calling, everything. But finally, I enjoyed production more, and that's how I took it up. And like I said earlier, that production now involves so much more. Like, it's a creative process to bind everything together, every department together, right from scripting till the release. You are forever involved. That's why today we have like a lot of studios, they have creative directors, creative producers. This is what basically their job profile is. So it's very enjoyable to see something that you started from your laptop to come on screen finally. So it's a great feeling.
हम सभी जानते हैं कि प्रकाश झा बहुत ही उम्दा निर्माता, निर्देशक, लेखक भी है, नेशनल अवार्ड पा चुके हैं. दूसरी तरफ आपकी माँ दीप्ति नवल, शी इज़ आइकॉनिक एक्टर, वो भी कई पुरस्कार पा चुके. तो ऐसे सेलिब्रिटी कपल की बेटी है आप, क्या इस बात का प्रेशर नहीं आता आप पर?
प्रेशर मतलब आपके मन में बिल्ड हो सकता है कि व्हाट इफ़ यू डोंट मेक इट, तो वो वाला आपका, आई थिंक वो पर्सनल प्रेशर होता है. Not, maybe there are more eyeballs on you, because what if you fail, then there are many other people to see that, and you might feel that you didn't achieve as much. But honestly, these things should not affect you, and you should be able to do what you want to do and make the projects you believe in. And sometimes those thoughts do cross my mind, but I mean, you grow up and you know that you're doing your best, and everybody does their best, and it's not necessary सबको सब मिल जाए. So I think भगवान जी बहुत नाप तोल के सबको सब देते हैं. So that's how life is, I guess. So yeah.
Like Dipti ji, you never thought to be into acting?
No, I never wanted to be an actress. I was very clear once I started working behind the camera. I was very clear as to what I want to do. So I just went ahead.
क्या कहना रहा उनका, क्या कमेंट्स रहे, क्या रिएक्शन रही दीप्ति जी की?
My mom honestly finds production extremely tedious, and she feels that I should not expose myself to so much stress. But I enjoy it thoroughly. I mean, I thrive on it. So I love deadlines, and I love working. And I work better under pressure, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, my mom does not like that idea, but she now kind of supports it. She knows that I'm happy doing what I do, so she supports it, yeah.
कौन सी फिल्में उनकी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है?
My mom's films. Actually, I haven't watched much of her work, which I shouldn't be saying on TV. But I like Angur a lot, and I like Kisi Se Na Kehna. Kamla, I think she did.
Yes.
That was a nice film.
With your father, Hippie Pure, Damul.
Hippie Pure was a nice. Damul, I haven't seen.
Not seen.
Hippie Pure was a nice film. NH10 was a nice film. I liked Raat Akeli Hai, which she did recently. So yeah, I keep watching her films off and on.
And Ishtain, she played negative.
Yeah, she was very
Tough
good.
it was.
She was very good.
So any specific, compliment she gave you?
She keeps giving me so many. She likes the person I'm becoming, and
She's in your touch, regular touch?
yeah. We speak quite often, and whenever she's in Bombay, we do hang. She travels a lot, so yeah. But we are quite in touch. So yeah.
और पिताजी से क्या compliment मिली?
Me and my dad meet every day. I mean, I work with him actively. So, same. I mean, he supports everything I want to do. And obviously, he's there to guide me if I get stuck anywhere. And yeah, they just want me to be happy in whatever I do and be healthy. And that's all. Enjoy life.
Right. As you said कि आपने जब काम शुरू किया तो राजनीति was your first project, right? क्या राजनीति की कुछ यादें आपको अगर याद है? You must be quite young that time.
Yeah, I was...
Multi-starrer film and all A-listers.
Yes, 19, 20 was
Okay.
it. But yeah, I mean, I was a costume supervisor and I only remember getting yelled at all the time. The costume department used to continuously be yelled at because either it was for aging, like ठीक से aging नहीं हुई होती है, या, you know, there were 10,000 people that we had to get dressed every day. So कुछ ना कुछ था, but वो भी, I mean, it was great. I mean, सीखने को बहुत मिला उस फिल्म पे. It was a big canvas and it was a lot of fun.
फिर कोई मेमोरी बताइए ना. रणबीर थे,
मुझे सिर्फ
कैटरीना.
डांट पड़ती थी काफ़ी, वो याद है. बट अदर देन दैट यही कॉस्ट्यूम के लिए कुछ एजिंग, कभी कुछ तो अभी ठीक से सारे किस्से तो याद नहीं. बहुत 15 साल के ऊपर हो गई ये बात. बट हाँ, आई रिमेम्बर कि हमें डांट पड़ती थी काफ़ी. तो
ओके, उसी से सीखने मिला.
यस.
बिल्कुल. So what are the other projects you handled with your father?
So right now we are working on Ashram 4, which will come out soon. I mean, the
Same star cast, Bobby and other.
Hopefully, yes. The scripting is going on. Then there's Rajniti 2 that's going to happen. And there's one film we've just finished, which post-production is on. So maybe it will release soon. We have to still tie up with the studio. So right now, yeah. And there are other shows that we are doing, which I again cannot talk about. So yeah, that's all for now.
You independently handle fraud, yeah?
No, that it
No.
was with another co-producer that I had around that time. Yeah, but it's I wouldn't want to talk about that film. So yeah.
Because it didn't do well?
No, it was just again that film was delayed too. I mean, the script when we started it in 2013, I think, but it released in 2019, so it kind of got stale. And उस समय it was I think inspired from a newspaper article that my writer Sharad Tripathi had kind of seen. And I mean, there were other movies that got made on the same subject. There was a Sonam Kapoor film, Dolly, I'm forgetting. There were 3 heroes. I can't remember the name. But yeah, it was on the same subject that had got made. And there were another one film, which again I'm forgetting right now. So the topic was hot, but because it kind of got delayed, I guess it didn't fare well on the box office. But yeah, I mean, that's the process. So you kind of learn.
Okay. These days we are, seeing many young girls who wanted to be into this field. Earlier it wasn't a very safe place for women. क्या कहना चाहेंगी, कितना सेफ है या आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल है क्योंकि आपकी घर की बात है?
Honestly, I think the industry is very safe. Bombay itself is very safe. I have not heard any. I mean, I have so many friends who leave their hometown and come here. They live on rent, and they are working so hard, supporting themselves, supporting their family. But I have never heard them complain or say कि इतने बजे, क्योंकि we have odd hours for pack up. कभी कोई train ले रहा है, कोई auto ले रहा है, कोई taxi ले रहा है. But I have never heard them complain saying कि safe feel नहीं हुआ.
Yes.
So I think industry and Bombay has been very safe in general. So I have also never felt that. But yeah, I mean, drawing, my experiences would be completely different. But drawing from my friend's experience, I don't think that anybody has ever said that. So yeah.
या दिशा, हमने प्रकाश जी से भी अक्सर ये सुना है व्हेन यू वर टू स्मॉल, तो कुछ समय तक के लिए उन्होंने आपको उनके माँ के घर भेजा था। उसके बाद आप उनके साथ मुंबई आई, तो क्या है इस तरह की यादें जो उनको एक आइडियल फादर दिखा देती है? कैसे अपब्रिंगिंग की उन्होंने?
So I was born in Delhi, and I was with him initially for first 2 years, and then both of us came back to Patna, and I think he was making documentaries around that time, and he made his first some movie, I can't remember, maybe he just finished it, but he came back to Patna, and that's when I was with my dadi, who I also used to call Ma. And yeah, she was my main person who used to take care of me. I was very attached to her, and she passed away. She had a heart attack. So at that time I was 3.5 years old, and that's when my entire family kind of shook. And my dad obviously didn't have much and often option to leave me there in Patna, so he brought me back with him to Bombay. And he was also kind of because before that he was in Delhi as a documentary filmmaker, so this time we were shifting here, and I was really small, so I don't have many memories, but I've heard him speak about it, so I do realize that he himself was finding his footing in Bombay around that time, so it would have been difficult to have a girl child with you. And but he never has ever made me feel that, you know, there's trouble, or, you know, he's stressed, or even till date if there's an issue, but it has never come to me. And yeah, obviously then, because I think he was a single father and it was difficult, so I was in a boarding school in Panchgani. I finished my education from there. And yeah, he used to visit every birthday of mine. I remember he used to come to Panchgani, and he used to write letters to me. So yeah, I had a normal childhood.
Oh, great. What are the qualities that you really imbibe from him?
He's extremely kind to everybody, and he's extremely thoughtful and extremely compassionate. There's a lot of compassion he feels for people. He's a people's person, and I think that's why he has so much. He's earned so much respect, and he's earned so many. Like he has his men who will stand by him, you know, no matter what. Like my entire staff here is more than 40 years. They're so loyal to him, no matter what, you know. They'll always be there on one phone call. It's the same with me. If I call them, even they'll be there for me. But that loyalty or sense of loyalty comes because of him. So yeah, I mean, they say aadmi kamaye hai, so he's done that. Yeah, so
Yeah, very true.
yeah.
Anything else you want to say? Something? Anything about the upcoming project or something?
No, I would just request everybody to watch Sankalp and break the ashram record by giving it more love and more viewership. Yeah.
Yeah. Disha, you have your own production house, Pen Paper Scissors?
No, that was just opened on papers for some
Okay.
reasons, and it stayed there, and it's shut now. So no.
Okay. So you are working
Yeah.
with Prakash ji only.
Yes, yes.
Anything else? Nothing you want to say now?
No, we've covered almost everything my entire life. So
That was required. Na? People want to know who is this young producer, who's dynamic. So, friends, you just heard about, and she spoke about her life, her career, the challenges, and how she is as Prakash Jha and Dipti Nawal's daughter. So, it was lovely talking to her, and we wish all the very best to her upcoming projects as well as Sankalp. So, thank you so much. Thank you, Disha.
thank you.